After 60, you lose muscle while you sleep. Every night, you go 7 to 9 hours without food, and your body starts pulling amino acids from your legs, your arms, and your back, just to keep your heart and brain running. If you are over 60 and you feel weaker getting out of a chair, or you have noticed your legs getting thinner, this is for you. In this video, you will learn why muscle loss accelerates at night after 60. Why bedtime is actually the best time to feed muscle. The exact science-backed drink to take 30 minutes before bed. How to make it in 60 seconds with 3 variations if you are dairy sensitive. And the 3 mistakes that cancel the benefit completely. Let us get into it. Starting around age 50, you lose about 1 to 2% of your muscle mass every year if you do nothing. After 60, that curve gets steeper. The reason is not just less activity. Your muscle cells develop anabolic resistance. That means you need more leucine, the key amino acid that triggers muscle building, to get the same signal a 30-year-old gets from a small meal. Now add the overnight fast. You eat dinner at 6 p.m. You go to bed at 10 p.m. You do not eat again until 7 a.m. That is 13 hours. During the last 6 to 8 hours, your liver glycogen is gone, insulin is low, and your body increases muscle protein breakdown to free up amino acids. Young people recover from this quickly. After 60, studies show overnight muscle protein breakdown stays high and muscle protein synthesis stays low, unless you give your body slow digesting protein right before sleep. Think of it like this. Daytime is when you do the work. Nighttime is when you do the repair. But you cannot repair a house without bricks. Bedtime protein is the delivery truck that drops off the bricks. If this makes sense so far, subscribe. I make weekly videos specifically for strength after 60, with no hype, just what the research actually shows. And we will keep going right now. Researchers at Maastricht wanted to answer a simple question. If you give older adults protein right before bed, does it actually get digested and used to build muscle overnight? They gave healthy men in their early 70s 40 grams of casein protein 30 minutes before sleep, then tracked amino acids in their blood all night. The protein was digested slowly. Blood amino acids stayed elevated for 7.5 hours, and overnight muscle protein synthesis rates increased by about 22% compared to placebo. A follow-up 12-week study combined bedtime casein with resistance training 3 times per week. The bedtime protein group gained significantly more leg muscle and type 2 muscle fiber size than the training-only group. Penn State researchers saw similar results in adults over 60 using just 30 to 40 grams of slow protein before bed. The key was not whey, which digests in 90 minutes. It was slow protein that fed the muscle all night. This is what that looks like in real life. Same workout program, same total daily protein. The only difference was that shake before bed. More muscle kept, more strength gained. So what is the drink? It is built on 3 ingredients that work together. First, slow digesting protein. Casein is ideal because it forms a gel in your stomach and releases amino acids for 6 to 8 hours. If you do not like powders, plain Greek yogurt or low-fat cottage cheese are natural casein sources. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt gives you about 20 to 23 grams of casein-rich protein. For people over 60, you want 30 to 40 grams before bed. That is the dose that overcomes anabolic resistance in the studies. If you are lighter, under 150 pounds, aim for 30 grams. If you are over 180 pounds, aim for 40 grams. Second, a small amount of carbohydrate, about 10 to 15 grams. This is not for calories. A little carb raises insulin just enough to reduce overnight muscle breakdown without spiking blood sugar. Tart cherry juice is perfect here because it also contains natural melatonin and polyphenols that improve sleep quality in older adults. Third, you want a leucine boost if you are using food only. Greek yogurt is lower in leucine than pure casein. Add a tablespoon of ground flaxseed or a small scoop of whey isolate to push leucine over the 2.5 gram threshold that triggers muscle building after 60. If you have kidney disease, are on dialysis, or your doctor has told you to limit protein, talk with your clinician before adding a bedtime shake. For most healthy older adults, this amount is safe and well studied. Here is the base recipe I recommend to start. In a blender or shaker bottle, add 1 scoop micellar casein powder, about 30 to 35 grams of protein, or 1 cup of plain, low-fat Greek yogurt, plus half a scoop of casein. Add 4 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice. Add 4 to 6 ounces of water or unsweetened almond milk. Optionally, add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed for fiber and omega-3s, and a dash of cinnamon for blood sugar support. Shake for 15 seconds. Drink it 30 to 45 minutes before you brush your teeth and go to bed. If you have no casein powder, use the food version. Mix 3/4 of a cup of low-fat cottage cheese with half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Add 4 ounces of tart cherry juice and stir. It tastes like cherry cheesecake. That gives you about 32 grams of slow protein. If you are dairy sensitive, use 1.5 scoops of a pea and rice protein blend, which is slower than whey, plus a tablespoon of almond butter for slow fat digestion, mixed with tart cherry juice and water. Do not make this a 400-calorie milkshake. Keep it between 180 and 250 calories. More calories before bed, especially from sugar and fat, will hurt sleep and blunt growth hormone release. We want muscle repair, not fat storage. Let us look at outcomes, not just theory. In the Maastricht 12-week trial, men averaging age 72 who trained and took 40 grams of casein before bed increased quadriceps size by about 8% more than training alone. Their leg press strength improved by an extra 40 pounds on average. A 2020 review pooling 9 bedtime protein studies in adults 55 to 80 found consistent increases in overnight muscle protein synthesis, with the biggest effect when daily protein intake was already at least 1.0 gram per kilogram of body weight. In plain language, bedtime protein works best when you are already eating enough protein in the day. It is the capstone, not the foundation. Sleep data matters too. Older adults who drank tart cherry juice for 2 weeks fell asleep faster and gained more total sleep time in randomized trials. Better sleep means higher overnight growth hormone pulses, which directly supports muscle repair. This is why the combination beats plain protein alone. You feed the muscle all night, and you improve the hormonal environment for repair. Now, 3 mistakes that cancel the benefit. Mistake 1. Using whey only. Whey is great after workouts, but it peaks in your blood in 90 minutes and is gone by hour 3. You will be breaking down muscle again by 2 a.m. If you only have whey, mix it with Greek yogurt or a tablespoon of peanut butter to slow it down. Mistake 2. Drinking it right at bedtime, then lying flat. Give yourself 30 to 45 minutes upright. This reduces reflux, which is common after 60, and lets digestion start. Set a kitchen alarm for 9:15 p.m. if you go to bed at 10. Mistake 3. Skipping daytime protein. Bedtime protein cannot fix a day of toast and tea. Aim for 25 to 35 grams of quality protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner first. Then add the bedtime drink. Think 3 plus 1. 3 solid meals plus 1 strategic night feed. Why does this matter? Because after 60, your muscle is in a race between building and breaking down every single day. Most people over 60 only get one good protein meal a day, usually dinner. That means they lose the race for 20 hours. The bedtime drink gives you a second win while you sleep. Let us recap what you built today. You learned that muscle loss after 60 is driven by anabolic resistance and a long overnight fast. You learned that 30 to 40 grams of slow-digesting protein, like casein, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese, taken 30 minutes before bed, keeps amino acids in your blood all night and increases muscle protein synthesis by over 20%. You got the exact recipe: casein or Greek yogurt, tart cherry juice, water, and optional flaxseed. About 200 calories, designed to rebuild, not to store fat. Start tonight. Mix it, drink it 30 minutes before bed, and keep doing your daily walks and light resistance training twice a week. In 8 to 12 weeks, most people notice getting up from a chair feels easier, carrying groceries feels lighter, and their legs look fuller again. If you want the next step, watch this video next, where I show the 3 best at-home leg exercises to pair with bedtime protein for adults over 60. No gym needed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.